G'day viewers, well, we're using the little old camera today, the old Canon, just for this video, but it's going to be a bit of a dirty job. I want to get the HD camcorder full of crap. This is an old 1984 model Oleo-Mac, model 233 small chainsaw. We were using it the other day, and for some reason the bloody oil pump stopped working. In there, the camera won't pick it up, but there's a little, as the crank spins, there's like a cam action, and that pushes a pumping action on that, and that pumps in and out, like that. Oil comes out of there, and we pushed out that hole to lube up the bar and chain. That's the original bar, and it is wrecked. It's got a bit of a flat spot on it somewhere. It's worn down pretty far. This is the oil pump. I took the oil pump out, I took the adjuster out, and all the O-rings seem to be intact, so. There's a fuel tank, and there's a moulding there with 84 written on it. There's the oil tank half there. I've already blew the crap out of the fuel filter. That's the front case, so the fuel tank half and the oil tank half. And those little springs hanging around there, they're supposed to have ropes on them, and they go on the lids and stop the lids from falling off. The same with that one. They're supposed to have a little chain or something on it, onto the lids, so you don't lose the lids when you fill them up. Like Husqvarna here's got. We've all got these little chains on the lids now. This thing must have had it, but this is a second-hand chainsaw. It looks like they've been cut off, so the previous owners obviously cut them off. Alright, we've already cleaned all the crap out of it. I might as well put the oil pump back together and see if it makes a difference, because I did blow it very carefully, cleaned it all out, so let's put it back together and see if it works. Okay viewers, that's a little valve and seat action. That seat seals against the top of that. And there must have the back pressure or something from the engine blows it, then pushes it in and out, because there's a seal there. In here is just like a pressure chamber. As that air is pushed out, this thing is moved like a camshaft action. In there, actually, that's the actual bit that sits in there like that, in that hole, and that sits against that surface there in the middle. And you can, camera won't pick it up, but you can probably see a little shiny part there. That's the seat that the little pin sits on, machined face. So let's put it back together and hopefully it all works. Okay viewers, after a lot of swearing and cursing, I just could not get this thing back together, and I found this spring here was bloody rolled all the way over there. So I looked on the computer, I found an explosion diagram, and found that spring was missing. So that goes like that. Had that washer sit back there and this wouldn't go in. No, what a pain in the ass. Hopefully we'll go back together now. That's better. Right, now I can put it back together. Okay viewers, well I'll put the oil pump back together, and yeah, it just does not work. Might try changing the O-rings on it just for the hell of it, see if that does nothing. Yeah, for now, thanks for watching.